Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and this barbecue stand from Bbcuepro has made our barbecuing so much easier. We have a small but very heavy cast iron grill, and this barbecue stand is more than strong enough to support it. We absolutely love how it puts our small barbecue at just the right height so that it's much easier for us to stand in front of and work with. Because our barbecue is made of cast iron, it can get very hot. So we were so happy that this barbecue stand has a metal top, so we don't have any worries about any plastic parts melting. It has plenty of space on the top for us to have our seasonings and our condiments all ready and at our fingertips. Having the space to work also means that we can have our plates ready to put our food on, and we don't need to keep running back and forth inside the house to get everything that we need. It was so fast and simple to assemble. There was hardly anything for us to put together. We find it to be very well constructed and durable, and the wheels on it move around very smoothly too. This barbecue stand has really made our barbecuing evenings so much more pleasant. But that's just my point of view.